So another historical fact for you guys, before this building was constructed, it was a stage, and the late great Garnick still performed here in 1994. It's now time for our Fiwi Culture segment, and this week Terry Linen gives us a backstory behind his 2008 hit, No Time to Linger.
No time to linger, got to be your lover, got what you require.
No Time to Linger was an original song for you, did very well. How did the idea for the song come about?
Lloyd Campbell, my soul, rest in peace, him passed away. Him sent in a rhythm from Florida. And say, you know, him called me and I say, you know, more you fix up a song for the rhythm there. So it's like me go link favorite of Clarendon. You know, I have no song in my head yet, nothing at all, I'm favorite of. We do the nice tune and a vibe it and favorite. Come up with the idea. And me and him write the song, No Time to Linger. The song come a shot and the chichi board rhythm, you know what I mean?
Give me the answer for the question I asked. No time to linger.
That song the voice in a less than 20 minutes after we get the argument them together. It's like the argument them just flow the morning. So I tell you, say, God, you have to just put him in first in everything, because the man when me leave out, I don't know when I'm going to sing on this song. That's why them say, bird can't fly upon one wing. Together, make dream work, make the team work.
Were you surprised that No Time to Linger took off the way it did?
We know say it out, because I say, the man when I record the song and finish record the song, the engineer look to me and say, yes, singer, this is another hit. Trust me, he must say, yo, at the first time I take my advice as an engineer, I must say, yes, this is a hit.
You've got a crush on me, I know. Going crazy for me. Obstacles standing in your way.
What's your favorite line in that song and why?
Well, you know, it's like the part where I say, you got a crush on me, I know. Going crazy for me. The part they always make me smile. Like when I perform it for my fans then.
It's now time to put our ears in the streets and hear the people them have to say in this week's Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree? I think violence in Jamaica is a cultural. It is ingrained in the way people go about their lives every day, unfortunately. I don't think there's any one sure fix for that, other than for us to continue to encourage positive behavior and for that to be the overwhelming force overtaking the minds of our youngsters, for them to be influenced and see that that is the way. Otherwise, I mean, a single set of policies, a single set of rules will not change.
Put more security system in place.
Alright, you see the youth them now still. Youth them have to just stop covetous them one another. Just show love, you see me? And burn grudge, you see me? Cause a whole heap of things go on, whole heap of spirit out there try to dominate youth them mind for them do wrong things. Cause it's because through the devil himself, him a dilute youth them brain, you know, and I try use them to grow up to be certain bad thing in the world. But one youth them fall up them head in a school, try know say mama put out a lot phone and thing and she wants to see the best phone.
Violence in a school now. Boy, this is one tricky one, but it's tricky bad because I tell you them pick me, them live where them learn still, you know, because most of the time them come from the community and them see it, so them bring it to school. Most of the times I like me come from Yassa and you come from all this, and you know the adult them are war, so we bring it to school sometimes. Another thing is, boy, the only thing we feel like them can do is minimize the violence that take place on the compound by them have to look a bit more, look a stringent searching for them going to the school and them something, because guess what now, the boy picking them now, them are carrying them scissors or whatever, them get the girl them for carry it in.
And those are the views of the people. Tune in next week to hear more on Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that's how we say goodbye to Hotbox Jamaica, as well as this week's episode of Pree This. Don't know, I'm your host Naldo Addy, and I'll see you guys next week. Hey, more pesos, see me here? No? Come again? As usual, we have a lifestyle and that's how we say goodbye to Alright.